Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my dear students. Have a nice day. Hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome back to our online classes. So, my dear students, in our previous class, we have learned about Rakhi festival. Rakhi, the righteous day, isn't it? Now, let's move to next lesson, which is the cock and the sun. So, in this video, we will discuss second standard English unit number 2. So, in unit number 2, we have a lesson that the cock and the sun. So, without wasting our time, let's start. So, kids, see here, unit number 2. So, here, they are given some sounds of animals. For example, see here, fill in the blanks with the cry of these animals. One is done for you. So here we have to fill the sound of animals. For example, they are given roar like a lion. Roar is the sound of lion. Like that we have to write for these animals given below. Okay, second one is like a horse. So here we have to write the sound of horse. Wait, I will show you. So here, roar like a lion, neigh like a horse, quack like duck, bark like dog, grunt like pig, bleat like goat, hiss like snake, moo like cow, chirp like sparrow, chatter like monkey. So here, like this, you have to write these sounds of animals in your textbook. Okay, students? Now, let's start our lesson. Let us read. So, read with me. Put your finger on your textbook. Okay, the cock and the sun. Once the sun wanted to meet all the animals and birds in the forest to know them personally. So kids, one day the sun wanted to meet all the animals and birds living in the forest. The sun wanted to meet them all. For what? For know them personally. Okay. He asked them to gather near the big rock in the forest at 6 o'clock the next morning. So, sun tells to all the animals and birds that you should gather near the big rock at 6 o'clock. Sun tells to all the animals and birds, I want to meet you all, so you should gather near the big rock at 6 o'clock. Okay. Then after that, the leaves were happy to hear that sun would be out. But the animals had their own ways. They started expressing their ideas in the morning. It was the turn of the beautiful peacock to start a discussion. So here, leaves were happy to hear that sun. In the forest, there are so many trees, and trees' leaves are very happy to see the sun. Then, what about animals? They have their own ideas. They have their own point of view. They started to say their ideas, means they started their point of view. They are sharing some discussion. When they gathered, their first turn was started by peacock. Okay, so let's see what discussion is going on. First one, peacock. Mr. Donkey, please don't wait for me. It's a very cold. I want to warm myself up. I will sleep for a while. So what Peacock is saying? Mr. Donkey, don't wait for me. Peacock is saying, don't wait for me. You go and attend that meeting. I want to warm myself because it was very cold today. So Peacock is saying like that. Okay. Then Donkey replied, oh, why do you think I plan to go right now? The sun may not come out at 6 o'clock. I will slowly get ready and go. I will go at 8 o'clock. Then Donkey said that, dear Peacock, why you think that I plan to go right now? Donkey also don't want to go as soon as It's telling that sun may not come at 6 o'clock. So I will also go out of at 8 o'clock. Then one little honeybee comes and tell. See, honeybee. Bee. Which bee? This is honeybee. Okay. So bee. So then I think I can collect some honey before I started. Later I'll attend the meeting. So when bee heard the discussion of donkey and peacock about meeting, so honeybee said, okay, before going to meeting I can collect some honey. Later that I'll come. So you can see that they are sharing some ideas. They are discussion about this meeting. They don't want to go as soon as possible. Peacock said that I want to warm myself. Then donkey said I plan to go. I don't want to go right now. Then bee said I will collect some honey before the meeting. So these are the some conversation between the animals about meeting. Okay, students. Now end your class here. So it's time to your homework. So for your homework, here on the page number 17, here you have one practice pattern paper. So there are given 4 words are there: first, last, big and small. So here you have to write these words in correct line formation. You have to write this word in correct 4 line. Okay, this is your homework. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair.